Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to host your website on GitHub. So let's start. First you will need to create an account on GitHub and log in into, and then after going new repository and type repository name. For example, I'm type demo. Okay, and give description if you want to need, so I'm leave it, and check on initialize this repository for a readme. Okay, and create repository. It takes some seconds. Okay, our repository will be created, and go to the add file and click create new file. Okay, in this file we are writing some HTML code into it, and the file name is going to be index.html, and here write some code of HTML, and I am taking HTML code from the W3 school. I'm choosing some templates, and copy this code from here, Control Alt Control C, and paste the code here. Okay, and this code is here, and now after this you can commit new files. If you want to give some comments here, I can leave it as it is and comment new file. Okay, and our index.html will be created, and now I'm going to settings. After settings, I'm at the bottom going to GitHub Page and select first option resource and click on it and select master branch. Okay, it's loading, and after loading it will provide a link. Downside you can find the link. This is my name .github.io demo. Our website name is demo, and click on it and you can see our website is on live. So this is the process of how to host website on GitHub. If you like, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.